lecture of blockchain. So today we will discuss about the blockchain history. The story of blockchain begins with a white paper published by anonymous author a decade ago. Blockchain begins as an idea of documented by Satoshi Nakamoto. The ideas outlined in this paper lead to the world's first and largest blockchain called Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is an important currency that keep its user highly anonymous through public key cryptography and cryptographic hashing, which we will discuss later on with the complete detail about the cryptography hashing. In public key cryptography, users store their Bitcoin in a digital wallet. This wallet contains the account private key, which is used to sign all transactions from that account. Any transaction presented by that account will be verified by the network using the corresponding public key for the account. So it is important to note that about the blockchain that it's a ledger and it's immutable ledger. So right now Bitcoin and Ethereum, which is so popular blockchain, which we will discuss in this course, and blockchain history. So let us discuss about the significant blockchain dates. So in 2009, first blockchain created. In 2010, Satoshi disappeared in December, date of last public post. In 2015, Ethereum and Hyperledger both go live. 2018, demand for blockchain increased 14 open jobs for every blockchain developer. 2019, Walmart reproduce supply to be using a blockchain. So in 2021, Dubai host all government operation and record keeping operation on blockchain, a part of the Smart Dubai 2021. And right now, this course is publishing on 2022. So right now, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Polygon, and all the other blockchain are so popular. And we know all about the cryptocurrency. So on next era, it will be bloom. So learn the blockchain technology and earn money.